Hey guys, it's me. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do a fun little experiment with toothpaste. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you got a bunch of different colors of toothpaste and put them all together in one giant blob? Well, today we're going to find out. We have 6 different colors of toothpaste. We've got red, blue, green, purple, orange, and white. And the way this is gonna work is I am gonna take one color and then I am gonna squeeze it onto the plate like this, and then I'm gonna take a toothpick and mix it all together. And then we're going to let it sit for a little bit and see what happens. Okay, so right now we just gonna start with the red, and we just gonna squeeze a little bit onto the plate. Okay, there we go. That's a good amount. So what we gonna do is we just gonna take our toothpick here, and then we going to go ahead and stir it around. Just making sure that everything is kind of mixed in there. And then we going to move on to the next color. So the next color that we're going to use is blue. This one goes right here. And again, we just going to take our toothpick and make sure that it's all nice and thoroughly combined. It's almost like a lava lamp. I know it's weird. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's fun to watch. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and add the green. You can see at S starting to get kind of thick in the middle there. So at S, not really mixing as well. Let's see if we can fix that. There we go. Okay, so it's a little bit better. And then we're going to go ahead and add the purple one right on top. And then we're going to take our toothpick and mix that in there as well. Just like the others, make sure it's all mixed in there. It looks like a swamp. Kind of looks like Kermit the Frog. If you squint your eyes, maybe. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the orange. So one goes right here. Then we're going to take our toothpick and mix that in there. Now it's looking a lot more like a lava lamp. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so the last color that we're going to add is the white. And then we gonna take our toothpick, and then we just gonna give it one final stir. Make sure that everything is all mixed in there. And then we just gonna let this sit for a little bit and see what happens. It's been about 24 hours, and I think it is safe to say that this experiment was a success. I love how it turned out. So pretty. It kind of looks like a galaxy. What do you guys think? If you want to try this experiment out for yourself, I'd recommend putting a little bit more toothpaste on there, because there's a lot of mixing that has to happen in order for it to be successful. And you can see here that there's still some separation going on. But if you just take a toothpick and then you gently scrape the sides, you can kind of force it all back together and it'll look even better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fun little toothpaste experiment. I know it's not as exciting as some of the other videos, but it's still a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button so you never miss an awesome science video. I'll see you next time.